Alright, so what we're doing here is working out the three-dimensional liquid literage of a piece. The reason why this is useful, if you're casting this in resin or in my case aluminium, you need to know exactly how much volume of liquid you need to convert it into the solid piece. Now what you'd normally do to work that out is you'd do a formula where you measure X by Y by Z, and that would actually times that out, and that would give you the volume of liquid that you would need. I find a much quicker and easier way to do it though is to do it like this. What I've done here is taken the piece that what I need to do and just submerged in water. I've got a level line here where I can sort of replicate, and it's just a wire so that I don't stick my hand in and displace the volume. Just make sure there's no bubbles and lift that out. The absence of liquid there left behind tells me the amount of liquid I actually need to replace to reproduce that piece three-dimensionally. The largest crucible that I've got in the forge is actually exactly 2 litres, so I need to bring this up and see if that equals that same volume. It's going to go quite close because I was guesstimating that it was going to be right. That's the exact level there, which leaves me behind that much. The problem I have is that I need that much plus 2 of those cans, and I've actually got about 1. So it might be worth experimenting to actually see whether or not I can cast this in one piece before I have to cut it up, but the likelihood is that I'll actually have to cut this into 2 pieces. Just like if you're actually casting this in resin, the reason why it's useful to know that is because you need to know exactly how much surplus you need. My casting pieces will come down that way and that way, and I need to have a surplus amount to compensate for both the shrinkage in the piece and the additional volume I need to actually pack it into the mould and get the piece that I actually need.